Hello everyone. So I just wanted to make a video. I know I haven't made one in a while, but I wanted to catch you guys up. Um, I thought about putting on makeup or like doing my hair, but today was kind of a rough day, and my channel and my goal about my Kiari awareness has always been to like be honest. So today was a rough day, and this is what rough days look like. Woke up with a headache. I've had one all day. Been pretty sleep all day. Yesterday was my last day of classes for that semester, so I'm waiting on my grades to come out. I'll let you guys know, but this was a crazy semester with all the Kiara issues, with all the coronavirus stuff, with all the work hecticness, and then my son being out of school. It was a rough semester, so hopefully I got A's. I worked really hard, and we'll see what happens. But I just want to share this Bible verse that I saw with you guys. It says, "He lifted me out of the pit of despair, out of the mud and the mire. He set my feet on solid ground and steadied me as I walked along." And that's Psalm 40, verse 2. And it really just touched me because every day is something different. Every day is a different form of a pit of despair, if you will. Like I said, this morning I woke up with a headache, so it just makes the whole day so much longer. But every day God is there, and every day He picks me up and keeps me focused and shows me something that I didn't see the day before. I also read this thing that about the spoon theory that I don't know if you guys know about. So, sorry, there's a call coming in. But pretty much it just is a way to describe, it was written about lupus, but it's a way to describe any chronic illness. So pretty much this lady was trying to describe it to her friend, and her friend's just looking at her and can't really figure out like what we go through on a daily basis. So she gives her 12 spoons, and she tells her to start her day. You have 12 spoons, and the spoon kind of signifies like energy for the day. So her friend was like, okay, well, I wake up and I get dressed. Well, waking up and getting dressed costs more than just one spoon. Today I woke up, opening my eyes, I immediately felt pain. That's a spoon. I haven't showered yet today. It's like 8 o'clock at night. I couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. But in the example, she showers and shaves her legs. That's another spoon. She's got to make breakfast. If you don't eat breakfast, then you can't take your medicine. You got to make breakfast. That's another spoon. She was down 6 spoons before she even got to work. And I'm so blessed to have had today off, because I don't know, with this migraine, I don't know how work would have gone. Then if you get to work and it's a rough day, or you have a lot of things to do, you keep losing spoons. By the time you get home, you still have to eat dinner and you only have 1 spoon left. So do you just microwave something? Do you try to cook? Because now if you cook, you can't clean up the dishes. It's rough, guys. I know people deal with more than just lupus or more than just Kiari. There are so many different chronic illnesses out there, and I think that we all need to come together, because no matter what you're dealing with, it's something, whether it's physical, whether it's mental health, whether it's visible, whether it's invisible. It's hard because I'm 30 years old and people look at me and I look okay. Unless I tell someone I have a migraine, or unless I tell someone that I'm tired, they don't know. And I've been in this constant state of exhaustion for like weeks, no matter how much I sleep. I'm tired during the day. I can't sleep if I'm at work. When I come home, I'm not tired. So I end up staying up entirely later than I should, because I can't sleep when I should sleep. So it's frustrating, but I know that God has a plan, and I know that He's always with me. So I'm going to try to make more videos than I have been recently. It's just been a lot going on with everything. But yeah, I still have my little book of quotes, and I have a lot written in here to share with you guys. So hopefully I'll be able to share more. And I'm in 3 Kiari groups now, which I was told not to add any Kiari groups, but the one that I was in was really encouraging, and someone that was in that first one actually started their own, and there's only like 70 members in the other one. And I just added another group the other day, and they share a lot of interesting facts about Kiari. It's not so much people posting about it, but just sharing facts, and it's always interesting to hear new things. I did learn that a lot of the things that I go through, like with my irritable bowel syndrome and with my sleep apnea and with my polycystic ovarian syndrome, they all are comorbids of Chiari. So that basically means that because I have Chiari, I have these other things too. But I don't want to say if I didn't have Chiari, I wouldn't have them, but they're more likely, they're caused by the Chiari. So it's, yeah, it's just interesting to keep learning and finding out about myself and to share with other people because Chiari isn't one of those things that's really out there like that. You know what I mean? So I just hope to spread awareness and stand next to everyone else that fights with this daily. People that fight with any chronic illness, anything. I don't want to say especially the invisible ones, but kind of, because if you look at someone in a wheelchair, you feel some type of way because they're in a wheelchair. If you look at someone that's missing a limb, you feel some type of way because you can see that. Um, what do you do with a 30-year-old that looks perfectly fine? What do you do with that? Or a 20-year-old, you know what I mean? Like, Chiari is in children. What do you do if your 5-year-old comes up to you and says they have a headache all the time? Do you go, "Oh no, you're fine," or do you look into that? It's hard. Um, Looking at my Facebook memories, the years and years and years of this headache. Oh, I have a headache. Oh, maybe it's sinuses. Oh, I have a headache. I don't know what it is. It's just crazy. And I still deal with the headaches every day, but now I have this this illness to put with it. It doesn't make the headaches any better, but I know now, like earlier I put ice on the back of my neck. That actually works. um, so it took my headache down a little bit, but I still was trying to cook. I still was trying to wash clothes. So then that increased it and I knew better. And then I had to take a 5-hour nap. So, just little things throughout the day. But I have a great support system, and I know there's a lot of people out there praying for me as I pray for them. And the Chiari family is bigger than I even imagined, is bigger than I knew. And I'm honored to be a part of this fight with you guys. And I will try to continue to bring you scripture and encouraging things that I read or that I find. And this summer is all about reading and researching things for us. So that's all I have today, guys. Positive prayers, positive vibes. Talk at you later.